Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about Science chapter 2nd, that's to grade 5th. Okay, so here let us discuss about the animals in their surroundings, chapter 2nd, Science chapter in the grade 5th. Okay, 5th class chapter. So let's begin. So here I have to briefly give brief introduction about the animals in their surroundings. Okay, so different animals are found in different places on the earth. Yes, so here, so exactly where those animals are present. So for example, I have to write here one word, habitat. Habitat. So what is the meaning of the habitat? Means the place where an animal lives, feeds and reproduces. Okay, habitat means it is a place. It is a place where an animal lives, feeds and reproduces is called as habitat. Okay, so different animals lives in a different habitat. So mainly here what habitat provides? So mainly habitat provides food, water and shelter to the animals. So it mainly provides water, food and shelter to the animals. Shelter to the animals. So clear children, habitat means the place where an animal lives, feeds and reproduces. So it's called as habitat. So what that particularly habitat provides? That habitat provides food, water and shelter to the animals. Okay, different animals live in different habitats. So for example, the tiger, lion, these are where they are present. So they are live on land. So for example, fish, so it is present in the water only. So on the basis of that, so animals living in a particular habitat, so adapt themselves to their surroundings. So how? For example, here we observe mainly there are two types of habitats are there. So one is the aquatic or water habitat. Second one is the terrestrial or land habitat. Okay. So what is meant by aquatic or water habitats? So here this aquatic habitat, it includes fresh water and salty water. Means some animals are lived in fresh water as well as salty water. So those animals we can call it as the aquatic animals. Okay, that habitat we call it as the aquatic or water habitat. Okay, so next, terrestrial or land habitat. Terrestrial means land. So where the animals are lived on the land. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals or land animals. Okay. So then, so terrestrial habitat includes mainly forests, grasslands, deserts, okay, polar regions and mountains. So land habitat includes forests, grasslands, deserts, polar regions and mountains. Okay. So some animals. So for example, frog. Frog is an animal. Okay. So some animals they can live both on land as well as in water. So they are called amphibians. So what is the meaning of amphibian? Amphi means both. They live both on land as well as water. That we can call it as the amphibians. Amphi means both. Okay. So some animals can live both land in and water. In water also. So they are called amphibians. And then here I wrote one word also, arboreal animals. Arboreal. So means we know that some animals that mostly live on trees. So their life cycle, they completely that 50 to 70% of that animals or 80% of animals, they depend mostly live on trees are known as arboreal animals. So some animals they are called arboreal animals. And then aerial animals. What is means aerial? So aerial means air. So means some animals can fly. So they are called aerial animals. So example birds. So that too a pigeon. Okay, like that some example for this aerial animals. So pigeon. Okay, parrot. So crane, like this. So these are the animals they can fly. They are called aerial animals. Okay. So amphibians means animals that live on land as well as in water also. Those are called amphibians. So example for amphibians are frog, polar bear, and examples for arboreal animals is the squirrel. So most of the time the animals can live on trees. So that is example squirrel. So aerial animals. So some animals they can fly. So they are called aerial animals. So mostly the birds. Example the pigeon. Okay. So this is about small introduction about the animals in their surroundings. So here we learn mainly three things. One is habitat and types of habitats, and then examples and definition of the aquatic habitat as well as terrestrial habitat, and then examples for amphibians, arboreal animals and aerial animals. So this is about the animals in their surrounding chapter brief introduction. Okay. Thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.